Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We're doing Airplane story number 4. Okay. What have done your baggage? I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the baggage ready before breakfast is not going on to the trip. Okay. Okay, I'll start making the burgers in the backyard. We're going on the trip. What are we going to do? I don't even remember where my clothes are. Okay, here is what we're going to do. We have 45 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Then we start packing. And they went all out to make it really look like a house. Didn't they? No, I can't jump over. That's sad. Bruh. Did they even move? Oh wait, I have sprint, don't I? Oh, is that health? Find this item. It's in the boys' room, right? Oh shoot, I think it's just... It's not that one. No, run! Hurry! Hurry! 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 6. Oh, they took damage. Find this. Is it in here? Remember where it is. It's not even in here. Run! Come on. Got it. This one. Oh my goodness. I've been petting it really close lately. We'll do it really. We'll do a good one. Yeah. Completed. Oh, I think we're good. Oh, there's a moldy burger. Burgers are almost ready. Okay. Let's go to the backyard. Okay. Uh, Ooh, nice. I'm gonna make sure I'm sitting. wonder if somebody's gonna get the moldy burger. Bad. It's a burger. I do, just not the moldy one. I am okay. Everyone's gonna take a seat on the picnic table. Oh, they jumped out! They don't want one! Ha ha ha! Ah, they're back. Never mind. Of course. 1 4. Oh, she got it! Oh, here. That's all of them. Enjoy. Hello everyone, we are back on the Valencia State News. Oh, it's the radio. Nice. Early this month, the president congratulated the brave heroes that saved his life aboard the presidential plane. Whoa, can you imagine saving a plane? Yeah, I've done. However, the president said in conference we deleted the suspect somehow disappeared. The police warns everyone in Robloxia to be careful and report anything that can be useful. Yeah, how could somebody possibly escape from something like that? My, look at the time. We are running late to our flight. There's no way we're going to make it in time. Bruh. Come on, unless. Follow me. Well, come on. We're all waiting for you. Look at this dude. Ooh. No. I have a bad feeling about this. Daycare. That's interesting. The garage? The garage? Wait for it. I present you. Planes! Ah! Oh, that's my plane. Oh, your plane's over there. Get in. We get to fly to the airport to catch another plane. It's also a lot more fun than walking. That's probably true. Oh, where are you? Now, we can't lose more time. Find your plane and grab a seat. How do I control it again? I've only ever known how to do it on the phone. Oh, that's not very funny, is it? So you're right. See you guys on the other side. Oh no. What? We don't even know how to fly these. We will have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. Obstacles? Oh, right. W and S. Turn and D to turn the other. Oh. No. There we go. Oh, and I took a lot of damage. No. No. Hey, how did you get here so quick? Wait, what? Oh. Perfect. Everyone is here. Now. Now what? I forgot to tell you. Flying over that shortcut is illegal. Hopefully nobody saw you. Why would you... Okay. The airport is just around the corner. Let's keep moving. Follow Dad? Why would I follow Dad? He's slow. It's right there. It's right there. Wait, there's only 3 of us! Let's cross the street. That was close. Hurry. Hey, why won't my luggage get out? I need to put my baggage in. Attention, everyone. The flight to the Rohamas is leaving in 5 minutes. That's our flight. Yeah, come on. I already have my ticket. Why don't you give us our tickets? One. Okay. 2. Let's see, flight. And I'm through. I'm with the Dad. Oh. One. Don't leave me. Well, to fight on my own. Hurry, hurry. Over you, hurry, 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 hurry. Okay, thanks. That's much more relaxing. Rubik. I can't read that name. No more waiting. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Wait, is there 4 of us? Nice. Oh, come on. Hello, you must be the last passengers flying to the Rohamas. Okay. Don't worry. You are just in time. All you need to do is go through the metal detectors, and you are good to go. Nice. Alright. Oh. Wait, I don't have anything on me. Other than these weapons. Oh my goodness. Something is not right. Please wait a minute. No, I don't like how that sounds. Yeah, no. You are going to have to come with us. Okay. Is there a problem, officers? All of you were caught flying over the restricted area. You are in big trouble. Wait here until we get all the paperwork ready. Oh, sighs. I knew it was a... Then why'd you have us do it if you knew it was a bad idea? Oh, and it's taking off. There it goes. It's starting to take off. But plane. No! Last one. My plans is finally complete. Oh, him. You're enjoying the shows, humans? Your world will soon be the property of the I couldn't read that. First, the angry humans to help me build an army, but now I can take over the world. Don't worry, you will be a part of my army too. See you in the afterlife. Where's he go? Oh shoot. Oh shoot, and I'm stuck. I don't think the cops are friendly. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. The real harmless. Nope. Oh, I fell. Like, can they seriously climb? They can't climb, can they? Oh, I'm low. Seriously? What was that? Brr. Got it. Oh, that was horrible. We have to find the exit to this place. Look, there are vents. Try to see if we... Oh, seriously. Lost my touch already. Look, guys. We found an open vent. No! Oh, okay. 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 Where are oh. That's what it is. You need to keep going without me. That's not kind of freaky. And this was Friday. It would be freaky. That would be Freaky Friday. Oh, oh shoot! Come on, hurry! Bell. General Poncho! I'm Poncho, ex-general of the Roblox State Army. I heard from you and you were not you're supposed. Yeah. I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years. I've been trying since the world depended on it. Oh, right. We are the only ones left. We can find and destroy Skeletox. Yeah, we need to do this for our dad. It's time to be a hero then. Follow me. Follow General Punch. Oh. Okay. We're low on damage. I'm low on damage at least. Oh. Wait, why does he seem familiar? Ronald! Oh, General, remember me? No way. You are supposed to be dead. Yes, we are both supposed to be dead. But here we are. When the dark side attacked the president plane, we got that made my curse become weak. The only way to completely be free is by killing someone. I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. You are not going to be a part of this mission. Well, I'm still going to do it, General. Who's coming with me? There's no way my team is going with you. Comment below if maybe we should do Ronald. For now, we'll just do General Poncho. We choose to go with General Poncho. Stay out of our way, Ronald. Yeah. Okay. This place is where all of the evil energy comes from. What is that noise? Oh, of course. Just then. Okay. Get to... I just say hey? Got it. Someone must have summoned this glowing flame looks like an offering. Ah! What is this place? What? How does she have no percent damage? Ronald, you were right, General. Oh my. Pilot Kelly, I thought she was dead. Jack! And that guy? From the cruise story. Or the cruise. Whatever it's called. Too late. Alright, so we need to try not to get hit. That will be our goal. Oh, hey, she's got damage. We're all really low. We have harvested enough stairs. Why do you think I go after planes? Actually, that's really kind of smart, to be honest. It's the easiest way to get some. I just used Ronald because I did not have enough power to do it myself. But now, to get ready to be... Oh! Shoot! That was right where I was. Oh no. It's just me. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh. Hit him! Go! Back into Roblox. Yeah, that happened. Two. Oh, shoot. Gotta be careful. Oh, he still got so much health left. Maybe I'll be lucky enough to survive. I might actually win this practically by myself. Oh. Well, one hit and I'm dead. Ooh. Run. Poncho. When are you gonna wake up? Oh shoot. I got hit. I'm dead. No way I'm gonna survive this. What's even sadder is, in the story, I'm just a kid. What? Oh shoot! Come on! It's like... Why won't I heal? pain. Oh, I'm so close. Well, the bride is dizzy. Only one person is going the wrong way. No. How much more do I need to... How much more damage do I need before him to die? Oh, I'm like so close. Shout out to all the people we lost along the way. Oh, if I can damage there, no, but as long as I survive, alright. But he's got to be close to dead. Oh, I think I killed him. He's dead. Yes. Oh, what is that? Well, I won't be able to escape it. You did it, soldiers. Skeletox is gone for good. Let's get everyone out of here. Yeah, Ronald Trump! There's Ronald Trump, General Poncho, and Pilot Kelly, and Jack! Great job, soldiers. Enjoy the moment, you deserve it. I've been trying to finish Skeletox for a long time, and finally he's gone. I know Dad would be proud. Wait, what about our dad? Wait, who's that over there? What's up, family? Did you miss me? I did miss you. There he is. Wait. Ellie is our mom? What? That's right. The family is complete again. That's not. Isn't this amazing, General? Wait. General is gone. Huh. We can be sure wherever he goes, he will be saving the world. Airplane 4. One last flight. Seriously. So yeah, that's it. That was it. Bye.